I just finished this vintage Reuge double singing birdcage that's in absolutely amazing condition. Original birds. Bluebirds are my favorite, and this bluebird here is really stunning. It comes with the original Reuge tag as well. Overall cosmetic condition is fantastic. I did fully service the singing bird cage, so mechanically it's also in outstanding condition. It sings and animates exactly as it should. Let's go ahead and watch it play. We'll start off on the pause feature. The pause feature is the #1 indicator if a singing bird cage operates as it should. We'll wait for a pause. If the pause feature doesn't work on these bird cages, there is something wrong with the bellows or the movement. Let's move to continuous. Both birds animate flawlessly. Very sweet song. The birds sing with full voice, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. It's a wonderful example. Excellent, excellent condition. Let's go ahead and turn it off. So in summary, a vintage Reuge double singing bird cage with original birds, excellent condition, fully serviced, and ready to go. Take care.